For centuries, death was seen as a final line, but modern science suggests it may be more of a boundary, fragile, shifting, and sometimes interruptible. Welcome to the frontier of revival. When the heart stops, we call it clinical death. Yet for several minutes, the body remains in a liminal state. High-quality CPR and defibrillators can restart the heart, sometimes even 10 minutes after arrest. Survival depends on speed. Every second without oxygen damages the brain. Today, advanced resuscitation protocols, cooling therapies, and integrated post-arrest care are extending this window, saving thousands of lives each year. This is real revival, but only if the brain remains intact. Researchers have recorded surges of electrical activity in the brain at the moment of death, waves stronger than those seen in waking states. Some believe these bursts explain near-death visions of light or clarity. But science is clear. Once neurons die extensively, consciousness cannot return. These sparks are echoes, not resurrection. In 2019, Yale scientists shocked the world by partially reviving pig brains hours after death. Using a perfusion system called BrainX, they restored circulation, reduced cell death, and reactivated some cellular functions. But there was no evidence of awareness. What they achieved was revival of tissue, not the return of a mind. Still, the experiment proved that the boundary between life and death is more complex than we once believed. Cryonics companies promise preservation after death, betting on future nanotechnology to repair and revive frozen patients. It remains speculation. No human has ever been revived from cryonic suspension. Yet the idea fuels debate about whether death is permanent or simply a challenge awaiting future science. Reviving the dead is not resurrection. It is extending the fragile margin between life and death. Science can restart hearts, preserve cells, and push boundaries, but reversing brain death remains beyond reach. For now, the question is not whether we can cheat death, but how far humanity will go to redefine it. This is Cosmora, exploring humanity's future. Subscribe for more journeys into the technologies that may change our lives.